Bollywood can't keep its hands away from anything Hollywood. Earlier the story, music or dialogues were said to be inspired from Hollywood films, but the filmmakers can't even come up with original movie posters. It seems that no one in Bollywood wishes to churn their creative minds and deliver new ideas. Everyone is just looking for instant success, resulting into blatantly copying anything and everything from international movies. Let's have a look at Bollywood's 10 ripped-off movie posters. First, let's check 2 of the upcoming movies and their ripped-off posters. Farhan Akhtar, Hrithik Roshan and Abhay Deol's soon-to-be-released flick Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara is already a topic of speculation as its story is said to be copied from The Hangover. However, the filmmakers can't deny the same about the poster though. It appears to be a direct rip-off of 2005 movie Lords of the Dogtown. Mahesh Bhatt's recently launched Murder 2 is trying new ways to seek audiences' attention by asking to vote for 1 out of 5 posters. But sadly, not even one of them is original. For example, the first poster where Jacqueline Fernandez is seen sitting holding a mirror reflecting Imran Hashmi is a rip-off of a Chinese film titled Bad Guy, whereas another one is inspired from a poster of Antichrist, wherein there is a tree bark with hands protruding out of it. Ranbir Kapoor and Priyanka Chopra starrer Anjana Anjani received a lot of flack from the masses for its poster as it was shamelessly lifted from Hollywood film and education. The resemblance between both the posters was shockingly accurate. Even Hrithik Roshan and Amisha Patel were seen in the same pose for Kaho Na Pyar Hai. Well, it seems Hrithik Roshan didn't mind copying again after his debut film. For his papa's international dream project Kites, Hrithik left no stone unturned. That might be the reason why the filmmakers didn't get time to make an original poster for Kites, as the final poster had an uncanny similarity to Hollywood's love saga, The Notebook. Kareena Kapoor and Akshay Khanna's rib-tickling comedy Halchal lagged only in one sense. International flick My Big Fat Greek Wedding had a well-designed first look which was later reproduced as the poster of Halchal. The seductress Malika Sherawat's Hiss was said to be her big ticket to Hollywood, which later turned out to be the biggest dud. However, the poster bears an unmistakable similarity with that of King Arthur. The only difference is that the dagger is replaced by Malika herself. Phook 2 is one of the several disastrous projects from Ram Gopal Verma's filmmaking machine. The first look of Ram Gopal Verma's Phook 2 looks more than just similar to Korean flick The Chaser. No wonder the film tanked at the box office. One of the posters of the Ajay Devgan, Konkana Sen, Paresh Rawal starrer Atiti Tum Kab Jaoge bore an uncanny resemblance to the poster of Robin Williams' License to Wed. Laugh Riot Nai Parosan couldn't fare well at the box office, but did manage to make a place in this list effortlessly. One of its posters was ripped off from the iconic look of Hollywood classic The Graduate, but failed to create the same magic. Last but not the least, Tere Sang is one of those movies in Bollywood where the story, script, screenplay and even the poster is a tasteless duplicate of an international movie Juno. Well, wonder when Bollywood filmmakers will have ideas of their own. This is Sonal Vaikar for Rajshri.com.